Okay, hi, I'm Rafael Nudelman from Teva Pharmaceuticals. I'm working out of Israel. I was invited to conduct a workshop on the nitrosamine impurities by Informa Markets here in India. It was a great challenge, and I think we achieved quite a lot in this workshop. It was a nice attendance from a variety of industry members here in India. Very engaged in the topic, very knowledgeable in many aspects, may it be on analytical chemistry, regulatory, toxicology. The people showed a very high level of understanding, and it made the whole workshop very lively. Questions came non-stop, high interest and very good potential coming out from this group of people. The industry here in India is critical. We have lots of manufacturers and analytical CROs that are very essential to the international pharmaceutical industry, and the nitrosamines crisis is really cross-country, cross-continent interest, and definitely the Indian population, the Indian pharmaceutical industry is highly engaged. I had a great time. I think it was a challenge, as I said, but at the same time a beautiful conference put together by Informa Markets, and I think to the benefit of everybody, we've moved ahead in the understanding of how to deal with this major topic. So thank you, and thank you again for inviting me, and we'll see you again.
Hi everybody, I am Dr. Muzaffar Khan and I work in the Regulatory Affairs Laurus Labs Limited. So it was exciting to be here in the Nitrosamine fourth forum conducted by Informa Markets. So although I came here as a speaker and I have been working with Dr. Andrew Tisdale and Dr. Mike Urquhart and many of the world's known peers, I can say, who are working in this domain, there is still something there to learn, and I congratulate Informa Markets for the wonderful work they are doing, bringing all together all the people on a common platform. Well done, Informa. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Milind Joshi. I am ex-president of Global Regulatory Management with JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. I am very happy to be here on a Nitrosamine Impurities Forum in Marriott, Mumbai in December, and it was very well organized forum, very informative sessions, and we had a good deliberations, very in-depth discussion, technical, regulatory, quality, analytical on all aspects. And I think there was similar forum in Hyderabad also. Now it's happening in Mumbai, and I'm sure Informa Markets will come out with many more such technical discussion, deliberation, informative sessions, other topics also, and congratulations and best wishes for future endeavors. Thank you.
Hello, hi. So I'm Dr. Sachin from, I'm so sorry. Hello, hi. I'm Dr. Sachin from Thermo Fisher Scientific, taking care of applications and working closely with the colleagues for nitrosamine applications and developments. So it was a great journey, and last 2 years, and in fact I am happy to be here at this forum where I could interact with more people around regarding this nitrosamine queries. Yep.
And so, what are the future aspects and challenges for nitrosamine impurities, and how we can improve towards,
Yeah, so while interacting with the number of customers and different users, I could understand, the opportunity is huge when it comes to nitrosamine impurity analysis, because again, more and more we have to educate to the customers for what sort of applications they are using. And as you see today, huge number of queries were there within the audience regarding this, and there are a lot of things which can be actually educated to the industry, to the customers, to the end users. And I see it's a very great opportunity when it comes to nitrosamine applications, especially now coming up with NDSRI, which is one of the important thing which we need to be considered. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, I am Suresh Kumar. I am working in Lupin Limited. This Nitrosamine Forum organized by Informa Markets is a wonderful session where I have attended as a speaker, and when I am interacting with the delegates, I gained a lot of insight, as well as the speaker from other industries also gave their valuable opinion, and this is a great learning whoever attended this forum. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So hi, my name is Alan Godet. I'm a quality assurance manager. I come from a company from Europe. It's called KRKA, so it's called KRKA in short. And I have attended this to gain some knowledge from my auditing purposes, and also to give some feedback to my company with respect to any new guidelines, any new observations in terms of, let's say, these kind of impurities. So all in all, it was a very, let's say, positive experience. I think I liked very much the first lesson we had from Mr. Khan, I believe, and also, our lecturer as well. Yes, exactly. He's very well versed in the topic he's speaking about, and I think it will also benefit me in my work and also in my company back home.
So, a few words about the organizer, Informa Markets.
Okay, sure. So a few words about the organizer. I think the event is well organized. I think the how do you say, lessons are well spaced in between. Also, they have put together a very a very good team of lecturers for this. They are very versatile in the topic. They all try to explain different parts of aspects, let's say, and I think all in all it's a good, well organized event, and I think I will try to be involved in more of them.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, myself Suman Sharma. I'm coming from Power Formulations and as a deputy manager working there. So I have attended the 4th Nitrosamine Impurities Forum here in Mumbai, and the experience was really great. All the topics were well covered, and the presentations and the presenters were well informed. As this is a hot topic and we are dealing with injectables basically, actually I would like to have more information related to the risk assessment based for injectable kind of projects, especially the primary packings like PFS syringes, etc. So that will be really helpful. Thank you.
Yeah.
Fine?
Sure. I'm Dr. Bapu Gowde, Managing Director, CleanChem Laboratories, Mumbai. I'm attending this 4th event of Nitrosamine Impurities Forum, which was organized by Informa Markets and held at Fairfield by Marriott, Mumbai.
Alright, sir. How was your experience by attending this event?
Actually, this is very fantastic moment for not for me but every delegates and speakers. Basically, it was the boom in which basically tragedy when it came into market in 2018. Same like COVID, what you can see since 2019, what we are facing. Same thing, pharma industry was facing the same problem since 2018. Almost so many life-saving drugs like anti-cancer drugs, anti-diabetic drugs, anti-hypertensive drugs, production was literally stopped due to nitrosamine issues, and regulatory authorities like EMA, USFDA and many other regional regulatory authorities, they were more concerned about the quality standards of the drugs. So they have raised their things over who are manufacturers or formulators of these APIs and finished formulations. So they are just sending letters after letters for different nitrosamines. It could be a regular nitrosamines with arises from solvents, or it could be a nitrosamines related to the products. This is NDSRI.
Alright. Any particular session or speaker that you like the most?
Basically, every speaker that what you have selected for this particular session, taking from Rafael, Dr. Khan, Dr. Sunil Kumar, Dr. Dama and everybody. So they have given fantastic talks, and it was too informative for all delegates. Definitely they will get good information from these sessions, and they will use their knowledge for their regular practices in their academic regular practices while working in their laboratories, in their different department, to have mitigation in the nitrosamines, wherever they are facing in their products and processes. But definitely Rafael is the nitrosamine man for this particular session. He is so energetic, yes, and the entire days belongs to him only.
Right, great. So are there any insights you got by attending this event, and then those insights which you can apply in everyday or work life?
Yes, of course, it's a good question. So not for me, so being every delegates, and those who have already missed, they have really missed such things, but those who have got the good experience from it was not only related to the synthesis of nitrosamines, it is taking from how nitrosamines are mutagenic, how nitrosamines are carcinogenic, taking from handling nitrosamines to the control nitrosamines. It is called patient's care. So that is very important. So every scientist will do their job in a perfect way to how to control it or how to make it nil in their products. So that's of course a good idea to start with.
Great. So lastly, if you had to describe the event in a few words, what would be it be?
Actually, it's a amazing event which is organized by good organizing committee, because I am quite associated with the CPHI and Informa Markets since last few years. Obviously, every people they knows Informa is meant for event management, and it's successful only because of the team with having good such kind of experience, and I expect that show must go on.
Sure. So thank you so much for your valuable feedback. We look forward to it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so myself Anurag Bansal from General Manager at API Regulatory Affairs and Business Continuity in Sun Pharma, sitting at Gurgaon location. So I have attended this fourth conference on the nitrosamine impurities arranged by joint partnership by the Thermo Fisher and Informa Markets, and this conference was very good for me. At least very good learning sessions, especially from Dr. Rafael and as well as from Dr. Muzaffar Khan. All other speakers were also very good. So, but definitely the sessions handled by Dr. Rafael were very good, and there is a lot of clarity which we got from these nitrosamine sessions, especially where every nitrosamine impurity is not of the core of concern. Need to evaluate its mutagenic potential depending on whether there are a number of factors based on which we should derive that whether these nitrosamine impurities need to be controlled based on the acceptable intake limit or ICH Q3A, Q3B or TTC limit. So it was very good sessions, and definitely I would recommend that if such sessions are arranged in the future also, depending on the updation guidance, definitely I or my team members would like to attend these sessions, and definitely I have given this feedback in the form also, that in such sessions if there is any regulatory assessors or something like that is available, which from whom we can ask what is their approach, how they are assessing this nitrosamine while reviewing the regulatory documentation. That will definitely be helpful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, this is Ajay from Laurus actually, and I have been participating in this forum for last 2 days. It's a lively one and so knowledgeable speakers, and then thank you for Informa for arranging this seminar, and then it gave a lot of inputs to me, and I look forward to the next event in Hyderabad next year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Start. Hi, my name is Krishnadeva Sharma. I am from Lupin Limited as a Deputy General Manager. I am my colleagues and with me came here to attend the forum on nitrosamine impurity. I think our purpose is served. The purpose we came here from the clarification on certain aspect of the nitrosamines. I think our purpose is served, and we'll apply in our daily routine also. Thank you Informa for organizing such a nice, beautiful, wonderful seminars. Thank you.
It gives the inside of the nitrosamine, the hidden side of the nitrosamine.
If I talk on the speakers, particularly Dr. Rafael has given so much time, along with the Mufazzar Khan and Milind Joshi, of course. Very good, very nice. Thank you.
Myself Sudhakar from Newland, coming to here as a participant in the Nitrosamine Impurities Forum, and the session is the second session from Informa Markets for us. First session is online and second session is practical session like physical session was attended and found to be very excellent and knowledge worthy. Coming to the speakers, Mr. Raphael's speaking about nitrosamine risk mitigation is very extraordinary. And coming to the other part, like Dr. Suresh's presentation is also good on the formulation aspects.
How did you describe this event?
Very well organized event. This was as per my expectation and found to be very knowledge gaining. And all the people are struggling with respect to the nitrosamine content to be present in the drug product or drug substance. In that aspect, the group discussions happened, the questionnaires and all are very useful for us.
Would you recommend this nitrosamines to your colleagues?
Yeah, sure. The same will recommend to our colleagues like other QA guys and other company who is we are supplying the content to other markets. Thank you.
Hello, we are from Granules India. Like we represent regulatory affairs team. Like we attended this forum of nitrosamine impurities from the last 2 days. Like it's very informative session. Like Swati, you didn't have?
Yeah, so it's very informative session and we can have most of the doubts we can get clarification and really it's very informative and even the speakers are very good and speakers have very much experienced in, especially toxicologist has a very very experienced and we can get clarity on how to control nitrosamines and limit categorization and etc. You can get more information. So it's very informative and if you can give some more sessions on the control of nitrosamines, it is very much useful for the industry and we are very happy to attend those sessions also. So thank you so much.
Good evening, myself Ramna. We are representing from Granules India Limited, Hyderabad, and it was a really wonderful session. It was an interactive session and we had a good knowledge and learning points. Okay, since last 2 days, whatever the information provided by all the speakers, it was very informative and it was very exhaustive, and literally from this 2 days workshop we could have a key takeaway points which will be helpful during our day-to-day work and during our product development phases. And we expect such interactive sessions and few courses and upcoming trends and challenges to conduct in future, and specifically if possible we request you to take up these sessions at Hyderabad so that for our company colleagues and across all the industry team members who are there based at Hyderabad, it will be very much useful to them. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you Informa Markets for organizing this. Thank you.
And as our colleague conveyed, we wanted to convey that thanks for the Informa Markets for all your hospitality and arrangements. It was very good.